If you are wondering what Reiki is, then you have come to the right place. Reiki is a Japanese energy healing technique that can be used for stress reduction and relaxation, and it feels amazing. It also helps promote healing to improve our physical and psychological health, which is another extra added bonus. The way it works is it's based on the idea that we have this unseen life force energy, or chi, that is flowing through us. Kind of like how radio waves are constantly going, but you can't really see them. We have that same kind of life force energy radio wave that flows through us. Someone who is trained in the practice of Reiki will use what's called a scanning technique, or a laying of hands, where they'll actually move their hands over your body with the intention of reducing your stress or encouraging the flow of that energy. Sometimes that practitioner will do this without touching the person. Other times, they'll actually put their hands gently over specific areas of the body, maybe over hands or face, body, but very gently. And it's all with the intention of helping you move the energy through your body. So whether they're scanning your body with their hands or gently laying their hands on your body, it's all to unblock the blockages in that flow of energy to keep it flowing again. The Reiki belief system is that the practitioner doesn't actually cause the healing. It's not like they're the healer or the source of that healing energy. More, they're a channel for that energy. So similar to the way a garden hose would be a channel for that water, you've got the water source, you've got the channel, and then you've got the point where it comes out. The practitioner is just channeling that water, that energy force through your body. The word Reiki is a combination of two Japanese words. The first one, Rei, which means God's wisdom or higher power, and Ki, which means life force energy. So Rei Ki means spiritually guided life force energy. We could all use more of that, right? Now, Chi is that primary energy of our emotions. It flows within our physical body through energy pathways. And when our Chi is healthy, it's flowing freely through our bodies and through our chakras, and when they're balanced. And then we get to experience that feeling of well-being, that feeling of peace, calm, of relaxation. Very similar to meditation, Reiki is considered a spiritual practice. You don't have to be part of any religion or spiritual belief system, but it is typically considered a spiritual practice. So during the Reiki session, people might become very relaxed, which allows these feelings of stress to become reduced. And then within this sense of calm, now that energy can move more freely through the body's energy system. I like to give the analogy of our body's energy system being like a freeway. So imagine that we have freeways of energy streams running through our body from the tops of our heads down to the ends of our toes and the ends of our fingertips. When we are experiencing stresses or traumas during our life, it would cause something like a traffic jam. So Reiki is just an energetic way of helping to clear out that traffic jam. It's like the traffic cop coming along and saying nothing to see here. And when we can break free of that traffic jam, now that freeway is open and you can drive much faster, just like your energy can now be more free flowing. I just absolutely love Reiki. I remember the very first time I ever got it, I was laying down and the practitioner was laying their hands over my body, scanning my body. And I remember feeling this incredible surge of energy, just like, imagine like that water hose, right? Where there's a kink in the hose. If you unkink that hose, all of a sudden that water is at high pressure and it's flowing fast. It was like every cell in my body was alive all at once. And I wanted to kind of jump up and run around a little bit because there was so much energy coursing through my body. The second time I had Reiki, it was when I had an actual physical ailment. I had a lot of knee pain. So they actually laid their hands very gently over my knee. And then with that intention, with that focused intention of helping that energy move through my knee, they just sat until it started flowing. And it's so interesting how you can feel the difference between that blockage of energy and then that free flowing energy. So if this is something that sounds curious to you, maybe you've tried it, maybe you've always wondered about it, maybe this is the very first time you're ever hearing about it, I would definitely encourage you to give it a shot and see if it's something that works for you. It can be for just general well-being, like reducing stress and creating wellness, but these trained practitioners can also take it into a deeper level, whether it's helping the energy move through physical pains or if you have emotional traumas that you would like some help on. It's a beautiful, gentle technique where you don't have to talk about what's going on. You can just lay there quietly and let somebody else use their technique and use their power of intention to help move that energy along your body. I would say before you do it, have your own intention of what you want to experience in that session, what you would like to clear from that session, or maybe what you would like to invite in. One of the things I like to do is think about something I want to release and then something I want to bring in. So if I am going to be releasing stress and anxiety, I might have the intention of also bringing in calm and peace and grace. If you are wanting to let go of some self-doubt, maybe you want to bring in clarity. So I would encourage you to set some intentions, give it a shot, see what you think. If it works for you, then you have a new tool that will help you get back to that place of Zen. Thanks for joining this video. Check out our next one. How can I create positive beliefs? This has been your Ray of Sunshine, and I will see you in the next video.